trying so hard to love my mind, but not the way that I do love you. Well, holy moly, me oh my, you're the apple of my eye. Girl, I've never loved one like you. And oh my best friend, I scream into the nothingness. There ain't nothing that I need. Well, hot and heavy pumpkin pie, chocolate candy, Jesus Christ, ain't nothing please me more than you. Oh, let me come home. Home is wherever I'm with you. Oh, let me come home. Home is wherever I'm with you. I'll follow you into the park, through the jungle, through the dark. Girl, I never loved one like you. Boats and waterfalls, alleyways and payphone calls, I'll be here everywhere with you. We laugh until we think we'll die, barefoot on a summer night. Nothing new is sweeter than with you. And in the street we run free, like it's only you and me. Geez, you're something to see. Oh, let me come home. Home is whenever I'm with you. Oh, let me come home. Home is wherever I'm with you. Come home. Home is whenever I'm with you. Oh, home, let me come home. Home is whenever I'm with you.
You know I want you. It's not a secret I try to hide. I know you want me, so don't keep saying our hands are tied. You claim it's not in the cards, fate is pulling you miles away and out of reach from me. But you're here in my heart, so who can stop me if I decide that you're my destiny? What if we rewrite the stars, say you were made to be mine? Nothing could keep us apart. You'd be the one I was meant to find. It's up to you, and it's up to me. No one can say what we get to be. So why don't we rewrite the stars? Maybe the world could be ours tonight.
You think it's easy? You think I don't wanna run to you, but there are mountains and there are doors that we can't walk through. I know you're wondering why, because we're able to be just you and me within these walls. But when we go outside, you're gonna wake up and see that it was hopeless after all. No one can rewrite the stars. How can you say you're It's not a secret I tried to hide, but I can't have you. We're bound to break and my hands are tied.
I was listening to the ocean. I saw a face in the sand, but when I picked it up, then it vanished away from my hands. Down. I had a dream I was 7, climbing my way in a tree. I saw a piece of heaven waiting impatient for and I was running far away. Would I run off the world someday? Nobody knows, nobody knows. And I was dancing in the rain. I felt alive and I can't complain. But no, take me home where I belong. I can't take it anymore. I was painting a picture. The picture was a painting of you, and for a moment I thought you were here, but then again it wasn't true. And all this time I have been lying, lying in secret to myself. I've been putting sorrow on the forest place on my shelf. And I was running far away. Would I run off the world someday? Nobody knows, nobody knows. And I was dancing in the rain. I felt alive and I can't complain. No, take me home where I belong. I got no other place to go. No, take me home where I belong. I got no other place to go. No, take me home where I belong. I can't take it anymore.
That doesn't make sense.
Kuidas oli?
Teile esineb Türgi rahvakunstiansambel Gebab.
Ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
tere, mina olen Peksa, aga on liiga palav, et üldse elada. Kohutav.
I can't talk right now. I'm doing hot girl.
Fuck being good, I'm a bad bitch. I'm sick of motherfuckers trying to tell me how to live. Whack hoes hate under my pictures on the gram. Bitch, you better hope I never run across your man.
Käes on spordipäev, see on tore päev, saan taas võistelda, ennast tõestada. Käes on karika, kaelas medali, keha higine, kurk on janune. Käes on karika, kaelas medalid, keha higine, kurk on janune. Spordipäev, 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 spordipäev. Keha trimmi, kõht sisse, rind ette, biitseps punni, six-pack, six-pack.
Let's find out how gravity works. Jennifer, what are you doing? You forgot your purse! I'm such a gentleman. I don't know what I'm doing.
What the fuck is this?
Okay!
This is fucking hard as fuck.
Oh, Jesus Christ, what is happening? I'm a gentleman. A gentleman never gets angry. A true gentleman keeps his calm cool.
This is an emergency.
Wait, what? Oh, hey, girl. Oh, I saw something.
What the fuck is this?
Do you want to die, bro? Oh, the jump, the jump, the jump, the jump. Okay, we're dead. Just as planned.